Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of payment and shipping by customer group for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how the admin allowed payment and shipping methods can be made use by the customers to place the orders for your products within your Magento 2 web store. Apart from that, we'll also be showing you how the web store owners would be able to set up the payment and shipping methods that are available to the customers by applying the payment and shipping methods to the customer groups, and the rest of the initial configurations for the plugin itself. So let's go to the web store front end first, and let me show you how the customers would be able to make a checkout using the assigned payment and shipping methods to the customer group within which that particular customer belongs. So for that, let's go to the web store front end for the Magento 2 platform, and then we'll see the backend configuration for the same. Also, before proceeding, let me give you a small gist about the plugin itself. So basically, the admin would now be able to assign the different payment and shipping methods to the customers based on their customer groups, and the group of the customer can be defined by the admin on the basis of the customer's priority. And in this way, this will help the admin to manage the multiple shipping and the payment methods easily according to the customer groups. So now let's go to the front end. So right now I'm at the Magento web store, as you can see, and I've not logged into my account. So I'll be entering my username and password to log into my customer account, and I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer end. So we'll be adding a few products to the cart, and thereafter we'll make a checkout. So I'm at a product page right now. So let me add this product to the cart, and thereafter we'll be making a checkout. So now let me tap here on the proceed to checkout button. So here I'm at the checkout page, as you can see right now. So I'll be choosing my shipping address, and then we'll be choosing the shipping method for getting the products shipped depending upon the available shipping methods within the web store itself. And so basically, whenever a customer adds a product to the cart, then the customer can process further with the available shipping and payment methods. So right now you can see that according to this particular customer group, we are being displayed the shipping methods that should be displayed to this particular group. So right now we can see that we have three different shipping methods available. So I'll be choosing the free one and tapping the next button. And as an example, for example, we have a customer XYZ who belongs to a new login customer group that the admin has created from the backend panel, and the admin has assigned him the particular group with the free shipping method and the check and money order and cash on delivery, along with the PayPal credit as the payment method to that particular group. So whenever the XYZ customer will basically log in and makes a checkout, then that particular XYZ customer can see the free shipping as the shipping method and the allowed payment methods, that are the check and money order, cash on delivery, and the PayPal credit that the admin has set for this particular new group. That's the new login customer group. So that's how this particular module works. So accordingly, here you can see that we have only two methods available for this customer group within which this customer falls. So we'll just choose cash on delivery, and we'll be tapping on the place order to place the order for this particular order within your Magento 2 store. So basically, this plugin eases the shipping and the payment methods, and thereby lowers the jumbling of the shipping and payment methods, and thereby the admin would be able to set up the required shipping methods, only a few one that don't have any issues, and similarly for the payment methods that allow the complete payments to be made without any errors to the customers, so that the customers can also access limited and best shipping and the payment methods to place the orders. And after placing the order, the customer can check the order details to check the selected shipping and the payment methods for his order that he has just placed out, and that is basically the workflow at the customer's end. Now let's go to the admin backend panel and let's see what different initial module configurations are there for this particular payment and shipping by customer group plugin, wherein the admin can basically assign the shipping and payment methods for the customers to choose at the checkout by assigning those payment and shipping methods to the group to which those customers belong. So for that, I'll just take you to the admin backend panel, and before that you can see here the shipping method that we had selected for the order and the payment method, that was the cash on delivery payment method. So now let's go to the admin backend panel, and let's log into my Magento 2 web store by entering my username password and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. So I've logged into my admin backend panel, and to make the initial configuration settings, so we'll navigate to stores, and then under settings we'll tap the configuration submenu option, and on the configuration page under the Webkul block, I'll just tap it up, and that will bring up the different modules by Webkul itself. So and under the Webkul block here, we need to go to the payments and shipping methods by customer group. So we'll just tap here. So tapping the option here brings up the configuration settings for the payment and shipping methods by customer group settings, and the very first option that we have here is to enable or disable this particular functionality within your Magento 2 web store. So choosing a yes will enable, otherwise to disable this particular functionality you can choose a no for the same. Then we have the shipping method settings, wherein the admin would be able to set the allowed shipping methods for the customers. So here for the allowed methods, the admin can allow all of the shipping methods that are there within your Magento 2 web store. Otherwise, the admin can choose specific shipping methods only to assign to a particular group. So if I choose all allowed shipping, all of the shipping methods that are there within your store would be applicable to the groups. Otherwise, you can choose a specific one, and can depending upon your requirement, you can select the shipping methods there that would be applicable to the groups. So basically, whenever you're adding your shipping methods, all of those shipping methods would be available here for selection to the admin. Then we have the payment method settings, wherein the admin can choose to allow the payment methods, all of the payment methods that are there within your Magento 2 store. Otherwise, the admin can choose specific payment methods only that should be available to the customer groups by choosing the by multi-selecting the payment methods as required. So this was the basic initial configuration setting that's required for the plugin itself, that is enabling it, allowing the all shipping methods or specific shipping methods, and similarly allowing all of the payment methods or the specific methods as required. And thereafter you just need to tap here on the save configuration button to save the initial configurations for the payment and shipping methods by customer group settings. Now after that, the admin can navigate through customers and then customer groups, and under the customer groups the admin can find all the already created groups and can add more groups to the customer groups. And here we are on the customer group section, and to add a new customer group, the admin can tap here on the add new customer group button. Also, apart from that, the admin can move the particular payment labels and the shipping labels having their own respective payment and shipping methods that we have assigned to the different groups within our Magento 2 web store. So under the group column here, you can see the different groups that we have created, like the not logged in, general, wholesale, and the retailer one. The admin can also check the text class, and under the actions column, the admin can basically edit any of the created customer groups by tapping the edit button. Apart from that, the admin can also delete any of the created custom groups. And here we are on the edit page for a customer group, and you can see here we can change the text class for the groups, and we can also choose the shipping methods, or we can basically alter the shipping methods and the payment methods for this particular group that we have created. So for the not logged in customers, if we have chosen only the best way free shipping and the distance rate shipping, then only these shipping methods would be available to the customers that belong to the not logged in customer group. And similarly, the payment methods that you have set up for the not logged in customer groups, only the payment methods that they have chosen here, like if I choose only cash on delivery, then only cash on delivery payment method would be available along with the best free and distance rate shipping to the customers that are within the not logged in customer group. So that was how we can edit the customer group, and let's see how we can create a group and how we can assign the shipping methods and payment methods for a new group. So for that, we'll just go back to the group section, and in the meantime I'll be creating one new customer account here. So I'll be entering the details for the same. So we are back to the customer groups. You can go to that by tapping in on the customer and then the customer groups option that you can see here. So to add a new group, I'll just tap here on the add new customer group button, and that will bring up the new customer group section wherein we'll be entering some info. And in the meantime, I've just created one new customer account with the name LUMA Studio, as you can see right now. And now let me take you back to the new customer group section within the admin backend panel under the customers and all customers section, or the new customer group section basically. So here we'll be setting up the group name. So let me call it as test1 group. We'll choose the text class for this. We'll choose the shipping methods for this and the payment methods as well. And after that, we just need to tap here on the save customer group button, and that would save your new customer group that you've just created. So our new customer group has been saved, and here you can see that we have the test1 group, and the test class is retail customer, and here we have assigned the best way and the free shipping as the shipping methods, and the check money order and the cash on delivery as the payment method for the customers that would be belonging to the test1 group itself. So that was how we can create a new group and assign the payment and shipping methods to it. And now comes the part wherein we can basically assign the customers with the respective groups. So for that, what I'll do is I'll just go to customers and then all customers, and this will display the complete list of the customers. So here we are on the customers section, as you can see. So from here the admin can scroll down. So I've just registered LUMA Studio here, so I'll just tap here on the edit link under the actions column for this particular customer. So what I'll be doing is I'll be assigning the newly created group to this particular customer, and after tapping on the edit link for the customer, he will navigate to the customer's account info, and we'll be changing the group to the test1 group that we have just created, and we'll tap here on the save customer button thereafter, and we've saved the customer group there for that particular customer. Now what will happen is that whatever payment and the shipping methods that we have allowed for the group 1, test group 1, only those shipping and payment methods would be available to the customers at the web store front end. So depending upon the group there. So here I'm at the front end now, and I've logged in as LUMA Studio. That comes under the group, that's the test1 group that we have created. And now I'll just tap here on the proceed to checkout button to make a checkout now. So if you remember that while creating the customer group that was test1 group, we had assigned the shipping methods as the best way, or the table rate, and the free shipping. So now you can check here at the checkout with three products in the cart. You can see that under the shipping methods we have the free shipping and the table rate one. That's the best one and the free shipping, best way and the free shipping. Now let's go to the payment page. So we should have check money order and cash on delivery as a payment method available to this particular customer. So let's tap on the next button, and under the payment method now you can see that we have the check and money order and cash on delivery option under the payment method. So these shipping and payment methods are being displayed to the customer according to the customer's group, for which the admin has set up the specified shipping and payment methods from the admin backend panel. So thereafter the customer can normally go ahead and place the order. So basically the customer doesn't know that for his group the admin has set the specific number of only shipping and the payment methods. So the admin can also restrict the payment and shipping methods available to a customer for placing the order as well. So that was much about the payment and shipping by customer group for the Magento 2 platform, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the complete flow of this particular payment and shipping plugin that we have, that allows the admin to set up the payment and shipping methods that would be available to the different customer groups. So the admin can alter the number of payment and the shipping methods available to a particular group that the admin has created. And when the customers for that particular group add the products to make a checkout, they'll only be able to see only those payment and shipping methods that the admin has set up for their respective uh, customer group within which they fall. So if you still have any questions or queries, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may also raise a ticket at webkul.ueds.com. Apart from that, I've already added the user guide and the live demo and the store link within the description below. So if you have any doubts, you can go through that as well. And here you can see that the order has been placed, and the customer can also check the details of his order, like the shipping method that he had chosen, that was free shipping method, and the payment method, that was cash on delivery, for the three products that for which he had just placed the order within your Magento 2 web store. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.